We joke that what we have here is not so much a commercial nursery, but a hobby gone crazy. All kinds of fun plants, medicinals, unusual food and fruit and nut trees, just everything under the sun. We have hundreds and hundreds of different kinds of plants here. We trial and see what works well here. Here's honeyberry, haskap, thimbleberry, seaberry. Later on in the summer, this will be loaded with little orange berries, super nutritious gooseberry, alpine strawberry. Here's an unusual one, Japanese raisin tree. Well, come on, let's step into my office. Welcome to my laboratory. This wild plant is called ashitaba, and it's eaten like celery and very, very healthy for you. The Japanese go wild over this plant. We're always trying new plants, doing trials on unusual trees and medicinals, see what grows well here. This vine here called sweet tea vine, it's a delicious medicinal from China that is used for longevity, a very healing herb. Some hardy citrus that we're just growing up from seeds. This is another group of plants, has lots of promise. These citrus you can just grow in your backyard. Perfectly hardy. Pineapple, guava, eucalyptus, Hovenia dulcis, that's Japanese raisin tree. Imagine growing pear-flavored raisins on a shade tree. These big leaf plants here is a royal princess tree. And the leaves in Japan are used as an external tea for your hair. It's the best thing in the world for your hair. All different kinds of figs. We're growing over 140 varieties of figs. See the snake? We don't use any poisons or pesticides. It's all organically grown, so we have lots of natural critters in our greenhouse, tree frogs and snakes. This is an amazing medicinal plant, Gotu kola. It's just starting its growth now. It comes out pretty late in the spring. They say 3 or 4 leaves, you eat of this a day, just raw. You can cut it up in a salad or in a smoothie, and it totally heals the brain and the nervous system. We've been working with this for 20, 30 years, one of our favorite herbs of all time. It's good for stress. It's a rejuvenator, just an amazing herb. What we tell people is herbs don't always live up to their reputation, but this one really does. It's an amazing herb. We wish everyone would use Gotu kola because it's so healing. This flower is a vine, a Chilean plant called a cremocarpus, and we just have this here for fun. This flower here is a Tibetan columbine, and this is another plant we're just growing for fun. You can see we're saving the seed here. That's from last year's growth. We love growing our garlic. We always grow a big patch of it every year. It's a nice one for gardeners because you can plant it in October, November, and when it's not so busy, and you can harvest it in the end of May, June. This is a hardneck garlic, real tasty, not super strong. This is an example of some permaculture planting. This is a lemon thyme growing around the base of the fig, and they are a good pairing because they both like it a little dry. Lemon thyme's a great cooking thyme. Has a wonderful smell too. These plants, these bright green plants back here, are lamb's quarter, and we just let these grow. They're just weeds, but we let them grow because it's a delicious, edible green, filled with nutrients, and it's real tasty. These are just young starts of other trees, black mulberry. Somebody said if you could imagine the best, sweetest, biggest blackberry you've ever had crossed with a jujube candy, that's what you'll come up with, a black mulberry. It's kind of a mishmash of hundreds of different kinds of plants growing in here. Some we offer through our website, figsforlife.ca. Others we sell at our regional farmers market here in the Comox Valley Farmers Market. And others are just for us